The DIY hunters in Alaska, both the resident and the non-resident hunters, only have a 21% chance of success. Now, that's not average. That's the max. That's what is happening in Alaska. If you're coming to Alaska and you've just spent an enormous amount of money to come up here, realize that half of 21% is 10.5, and that means you only have a 10.5% chance of being successful on your moose hunt here in Alaska. The Department of Fish and Game has been doing this survey for a long time. You can go into their website and look at it. And it's 21% average for all DIY hunters. Again, that includes both non-resident and resident. So cut that in half, and you got 10.5% chance. And that's every single year. Only 10.5% of all the DIY hunters coming to Alaska are successful. That's it. And I feel for you guys that have spent enormous amount of money coming to Alaska to be successful on a moose hunt, a hunt of a lifetime, knowing you only have a 10.5% chance for success. You have an 89.5% chance of failure after spending all that money. So what are you waiting for? Did I mention you can download all my courses on your phone, take them with you out in the field, and when you're sitting there in camp and you're pondering over what is wrong, what can I do to make this hunt more successful, at your leisure, around the fire, and watch my training courses and go, oh, we haven't tried that yet. Oh, my moose call is a little bit off. I better do it like this. Oh yeah, we can take the raft and go upriver and find that. And it's all right there. And I can't wait to give you some one-on-one training.